ngiziphathele engathi ngibuya ukuyodayisa ummbila ilanga lishisa ngothwele ekhanda. Ngijahana namakhasimende, amakhasimende afuna ukuthi ngiwehlisele ngingawubizi u-R15, ngiwehlise ngiwenze u-R10, ngivume ngoba ngizothini. Kodwa futhi manje angifike ekhaya ngiyarealize ukuthi angiyenzanga iprofit ngoba phela manje la ngothenga khona nami ngothenga ngo-R10. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're all well. Welcome to my first sit down. You bandla. Silanake. Kulega get to know me. Kibuke mbuzo la, like obviously baby balapans. I literally just finished writing them down, mind you. But I didn't want to think about them, so that's why I was like, let me just shoot this video now. So I have here imbuzo yami eminye kusimbuzo okunye hey nina izinto engiyibuzayo bangani ngisacabanga nje ukuthi oye ngizokuphendula yini kodwa ke nje yeah. First question, first comment, cute, thanks. Next question, where did you find your apartment? I found my apartment on no. While I did see it on Property 24, I only found it or looked for it on Property 24 after a friend told me about it. So yeah, I guess I found it through a friend and then I had to do my own research on it as well. But yeah, through a friend. You work at Kwandawo. I saw a picture you posted on your story with the name at the back. Hence, I'm asking, is this a question? Is this really a question? Boss. So ubuzo sincere. Yeah, ungibambile ke whoever you are, ungibambile ukuthi ngikuphi. Kodwa manje akusumbuzo ke lo. But yeah, that's where I am. Wherever you saw me, stalker, get up. Just the jokes. When did you decide to start a YouTube channel? So, indaba yami yokuqala uYouTube. Baningi nje. Angingathi baningi bambalwa abantu ababelokhu bengijuza ukuthi ngiqale uYouTube. But I didn't have a reason to start a YouTube channel until abazali decided to ukungenzela umemulo last year. And then I was like, I want to capture as much as I can and I want to keep as much as I can. So the only way that I can keep the content, my memulo content, is through a YouTube channel. Fine, we are gonna get like a USB or whatever from Umshuti, but I still wanted it somewhere, you know. I wanted my POV as well. So yeah, I then decided to buy a YouTube channel. Like, I then had a reason why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, which was for my memulo content. Now that my memulo content is done, I guess this is the last video. Anyhow, so yeah, I guess last November, leading up to somewhere leading up to Umhlanga dates last year. Yeah, How old are you? How old are you now? Ngineminyaka engamashumi amabili nambili. I am 22 years old. Yeah, I'm 22 years old. I really appreciate you. Oh. Nami ke ngiyaku-appreciate. Ngazathi kuzofanele niyiveze kodwa niyanqana yini? I think kuzofanele niyiveze umuntu asho ukuthi mina owami umbuzo yilo, mina owami umbuzo yilo, just so that I know, yabo, just for vibes. Siyakwazi mfethu sicela i-mic cha. I think I know who this is. I think I know who this is. Oh, my Iman. Ngicela ukuthi sivele sivule i-GoFundMe. Ilezo kubizwa kanjalo vele. But asihlanganiseni simphakathi sithengeni i-mic, sithengeni i-tripod. Manje ngiyabona ukuthi yona izohamba idingeke mangathiwa ngiyaqhubeka. Angazi kodwa ngoba phela my memulo is done, so but mawukuthi uzohamba iqhubeke le way, I think isizoyidinga i-mic somphakathi. And ngiyazizwa izikhalo zenu ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngizonisiza kanjani nami okwamanje, kodwa ke it's at the back of my head. Thank you. Which high school did you attend and what are some of your favorite memories there? Ek het na hoërskool Ferm gegaan. Ek het na hoërskool Ferm gegaan. En my beste memories, I'll tell you my favorite memories there. The fact that I'm taking so long to think about it makes me think I don't have memories worth remembering. Makes me think I don't have memories worth remembering. I'm really trying so hard to think. Okay, siqale ka grade 8 kwakwenzakalani lapho. 9, 10, 11, 12. Bafana angazi mina. Angazi ngifuna uqamba angazi. Mhlambe ngathi my favorite memory ama Mondays, choir rehearsals, choir performances at best. Like that's all I can think of, because that's the one thing I enjoyed in high school. Like I miss being in a choir so much. I miss being in a choir so much. Like if I could, I'd just sing for the rest of my life. Actually, I'm gonna hook it up. I'm a producer. But yeah, I think that's the only thing I remember. Like I can't think of anything right now about high school. I really can't think of anything about what happened in high school. Oh, quite boring. Happy birthday to you. I really like you. Oh. Do you have a boyfriend? I can follow Jess. Nifuna nje uSmakathi. Niyeke okomhlaba. ake sifuneni imvana. No, I don't have a boyfriend. Izinto zabantu abadala lezo. Mina ngisemncane. Lezo zinto zabantu abadala zizongifica mase ngimdala. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Futhi mama ebuka uyawuphuka uYouTube wami mayekhumbulile. So ningibuza kanjani izinto enje ngoba mangathi lo ekuthiwa ibikhona kusho ukuthi bekuzofanele ngiyiphike. Ngoba phela manje ungiphatha nabazali mina. Usayitshitshi utholitshitshiwe lweluqambela thina amanga utholitshitshiwe lweluqambela but ngishilo ukuthi benginomemolo last year, so that should give you your answer. So yeah. What do you do for a living? I breathe in and out. Oh wow, I'm alive. Anywho, I do work for a living. I work for a living. So I'm still trying to figure out what it is I'm doing to make this living that I'm making. But I put in that offer letter ngizoyisho le nto kodwa kuzofanele ngibuyele ngiyo-check ukuthi kwakushiwo njalo yini, but I'm an IT auditor according to that offer letter. I am here to support you. So sweet. I think I also know who this is. I think I know who this is. Thank you, girl. You always leave me on red. Should now into suyisho. Should into suyisho. Yenza ukuthi ngingabi nalo ugqozi lokuphendula. Why else would I ignore you if you're saying something that is, you know, something that I can respond to? I'm also sorry. Like, how tall are you? Angaz. Ngake ngayikala, excuse me, sinosisi wami sake sayikala niyabona lama tape lawo le emnyama bese mawuyidonsa iyelo ilawa ngathi labo abantu abakhandayo, they use that tape. That is it called a tape, that measuring tape. They use that thing to measure things, right? I used that thing like years ago, and according to that thing I was 154 centimeters tall. So if it's accurate, then I'm 154 centimeters tall. If it's not, then I also don't know. But yeah, those are the questions I got, and I guess that makes the video. Ukhona mina umbuzo engayibuza wona. I don't have a question for myself. What question do I have for you? Have you subscribed? If not, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the vlog. I highly appreciate your presence here. Please do share, comment, like, and subscribe. Once again, see you on the next episode of What Am I Doing? Of How Did I Get Here? Of Seems Like I'm Old? Of Am I Really Doing This? Of I don't know. Okay. Sharp book.